Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming physical connections and drive type before attempting initialization. Check both power and data cables and reset the SSD gently. Note the drive capacity and interface, for example 512 GB NVMe or 5-inch SATA. If the drive contains critical data, pause and create a disk image or clone using read-only tools. Initializing can overwrite metadata and make recovery harder. Wear an anti-static wrist strap when handling internal SSDs to avoid electronic damage. Open Disk Management in Windows by pressing Win+X and selecting Disk Management. Right-click the disk labeled Not Initialized and choose Initialize Disk to proceed. When prompted, select a partition style. Choose GPT for drives larger than 2 TB and MBR for older systems. After initialization, right-click the unallocated space and create a new simple volume. Format the volume with NTFS or XFAT and assign a drive letter to access it immediately. Confirm the disk now shows healthy and the expected capacity. If disk management cannot initialize the SSD, use diskpart from an elevated command prompt. Run list disk to identify the drive, select disk X to target it, then run clean to remove partition metadata. After cleaning, run create partition primary and format fs equals ntfs quick to prepare the volume. If diskpart reports write errors, update the SSD firmware using the manufacturer toolbox and run diagnostics. When firmware or hardware faults persist, perform a secure erase or contact the vendor for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.